Hey everybody, it's Dave Severs, the part-time affiliate, coming at you with more tips and techniques so you can have fun making money online and still have plenty of time to do the things that you love to do. In today's video, we're going to consider two things that can really help us to get clear when striving to answer the question, how much money can I make with affiliate marketing? One of the cool things about affiliate marketing is the possibility of earning unlimited income from anywhere in the world. And so many people are attracted to this business for that very reason. However, let me ask you a question. Do you really need unlimited income to achieve the financial freedom that you desire? I would argue that you do not. And here's the reason why. If you take a look at this diagram, you'll see it's a chart that has two curves on it. Now, the left side is the money line, and the bottom line is the timeline. And as you can see, the red line is intersecting the money line at the point where you need to determine how much money you need to make to support the lifestyle that you envision for yourself. So in other words, your expenses should be based upon how much money you need to generate in your life in order for you to live the way that you want to live. Now, if you notice, the bottom line, the affiliate marketing curve, is a very interesting shape. You'll be investing for quite a while and it'll seem like nothing is happening, but you're actually developing a base. And then at some point, that line starts to curve up. And there's a point where it curves up that you couldn't stop making money if you wanted to. However, most people quit before they ever reach that point. Not to even speak about reaching the point where the affiliate marketing curve begins to intersect with your expenses curve and where your revenue from your business begins to exceed the amount of money that you need to support your lifestyle. That, my friends, is the point of financial freedom. And that, my friend, is the point that each and every one of us need to determine when we're asking the question, how much money do I actually need my business to generate in order for me to have the lifestyle that I desire to have? Now, when you continue looking at this chart, there's two other important things that you begin to realize. Number one is the affiliate income curve is really just charting out the time that it takes for you to develop your business to the point where it starts to produce meaningful income in your life. However, that point of financial freedom is really largely determined by how high your expenses are. Because if your expenses were even higher than what's shown on this chart here, it would take an even longer time for your business, for your affiliate income curve to curve up enough to intersect the expenses and to begin to produce more income than you need to cover your expenses. However, if you were able to reduce the amount of expenses in your life, to downsize in ways, to cut back in certain ways, you could actually reduce the expenses in your life, and that would have the effect of accelerating the time to which it would take for you to achieve financial freedom. And so the part-time affiliate strategy is really about working on both of these curves, both of these lines at the same time. When you start to look at the expenses in your life, you very quickly begin to realize that, in all honesty, there are adjustments that you can make to reduce your expenses without materially reducing the quality of your life. And I can tell you this from experience because this entire year, my wife and I made a project of this. We made a game of it, and we were challenging ourselves in order to find ways that we could reduce our expenses while we were at the same time continuing to work diligently on our business. And just some examples, we started looking at the food and how we were dealing with food, how much we were going out to eat versus eating at home. Clearly, there was an opportunity for us to reduce. We started looking at entertainment, how much we were going out and just hanging out with friends and spending money entertaining ourselves. We saw that there were opportunities for us to be a bit more careful about that, a bit more diligent about it, cut back on a little bit, and save a meaningful amount of money each month. We also looked at our habits and how we were driving our cars. This is something that wasn't obvious at first, but we, in fact, were leasing two cars. And in most cases, we were only driving one of them. And so we decided that we would make the adjustment, give up one of the cars, and save a significant amount of money every single month. Another thing that we looked at were subscriptions that we had. We had a number of magazines coming to the house, and this was really me. I had a number of magazine subscriptions coming to the house, and I was hardly having any time to read them. And so I was in fact paying for these subscriptions without actually getting the value out of these magazines. And so we just started systematically canceling all of these subscriptions. Another thing that we looked at was our housing. We were living in a 3-bedroom townhouse. We decided to downsize to a 1-bedroom condo, which we're now in the process of buying. And so there are many, many opportunities to reduce your expenses. And the effect of doing that is to actually reduce the amount of time that it takes for your affiliate income curve to begin to produce the income you need in order for you to live the lifestyle that you desire to have as a part-time affiliate. And so these are just a few things to consider, and I really hope that you do take this to heart and take some time to review this video and to seriously consider your own circumstances, to look at ways that you could continue to build your business and to get that affiliate curve, that affiliate income curve to come up as quickly as possible, while at the same time reducing the expenses so that you reduce the amount of time that it would take for your business to produce the revenue you need for you to live the type of life that you desire to live. And so, as always, I invite you to like and to share. I really appreciate the time that you take to watch these videos and hopefully to apply the things that are being shared. I didn't create this stuff myself. These are things that I'm learning from mentors and from people that I'm networking with. And we're all sharing these ideas and coming to these realizations and applying these strategies to improve the quality of our life and to reach this point of financial freedom that would truly enable us to have the time to do the things that we love to do. And so with that, I invite you to like, to share, to leave me some comments and some feedback, to subscribe to the channel, and to press that notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time that I'm producing a video on how to become a part-time affiliate.